Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a SIM card on your Android phone. First, locate the small tray on the side of your device. Use the tiny ejector tool, often found in your phone's box, to gently push into the small hole, releasing the tray. Carefully place your new SIM card into the designated slot, ensuring it fits snugly. Then, slide the tray back into your phone until it is fully seated and flush with the device's edge. Once your SIM card is securely in place, power on your Android phone. In many cases, your device will automatically detect the new SIM and begin the activation process. You might see a few on-screen prompts asking you to confirm details or restart your phone. If your phone does not automatically activate or recognize the SIM after a few minutes, it is best to reach out to your mobile carrier for assistance with manual activation. Next, you might need to configure your network settings. Open your phone's settings application and look for network and internet or connections. From there, tap on mobile network and then access point names, often abbreviated as APN. Ensure the correct APN settings for your carrier are listed. If not, you may need to manually add them using information provided by your service provider to ensure proper data and messaging functionality. Finally, it is time to test your new SIM card setup. Try making a quick phone call to a friend or family member to confirm your voice service is working. Send a text message to ensure SMS functionality. Also, attempt to browse the internet using your mobile data, not Wi-Fi, to check data connectivity. If you experience any problems, a simple restart of your phone can often resolve minor glitches. For persistent issues, contact your carrier.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.